Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, hi, it's Ruth Desstiny. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys what's inside my gym bag. This is the medium everyday Holdall from Gymshark. It's a very spacious bag and has lots of different compartments to keep your bag really organized. I'm gonna start off by showing you guys what's inside the front pouch of the bag. So it has a really strong Velcro at the front. Alright, obviously you need a padlock for the gym, so I keep that in the front of my bag to secure my bag at the gym. I also keep this UV ink security spray, so this is what I keep just to protect myself. It's not pepper spray because in the UK it is illegal, but I like to keep it on me just to protect myself. It's basically just red dye that stains the person, and in 48 hours the police is actually able to identify them. So that's what I keep in the front pouch of my gym bag. Moving on to the sides of the bag. The bag has this mesh pouch over here. I usually like to keep my drink in here just so that it's easy access. On the other side is actually the shoe compartment here. So it's actually a decent size. If you have big feet, I don't know how it's gonna keep your shoes in there. I am a size 4.5 and it just about fits my shoes in there. So just keep that in mind when you're purchasing this bag. The last detail that I really like about this Gymshark bag is the fact that it has the padded strap. This is really good to protect your shoulders from this digging in because it does get heavy over time when you're walking and moving around in the gym. So I love to have this. So let's actually move on to the inside of the bag. Starting off with my gym gear from Upper Gear. These are probably the best 3 items that you need to have in your gym bag. I call this the triple threat just because they're the 3 most essential ones that you need in your bag. So starting off, the ankle straps. These are such good quality. They provide a really good padding around, and the metal parts that actually connect to the cable machine are really strong, and the Velcro as well really keeps the ankle straps around your ankles really well. It's really good to use ankle straps when you're doing your cable kickbacks or any isolation exercises that you want to do to grow your legs and your glutes. But people also like to use them when they're doing like lateral raises because it keeps the engagement throughout the whole movement. So some people like to use them for upper body days as well. The next item in the triple threat is the barbell pad. This barbell pad is probably the best barbell pad that I have ever used. This barbell pad comes with a Velcro, and this Velcro is so good because it actually keeps the barbell pad in place. I did have another one and it was foam and it didn't have this Velcro on it, and when I tell you guys, I used to hip thrust and this pad will literally fly off because it was so flimsy, but this really keeps it in place wherever you put it, and the Velcro really secures it onto the bar. And the last gym essential in the triple threat is the lifting straps. These lifting straps are really good. It does come in a mesh pouch as well, and these lifting straps are very easy to use. They have the Upper Gear logo just on here, and it also has this loop here because this actually has to go through it so that it can create that loop that's going to be around your wrist. So this extended part should be going between your thumb and your index finger, because when you're going to wrap this around the barbell or any equipment that you're using, you're going to wrap it so that it's secure. Let's pretend that this is the barbell. You're going to wrap this around and make sure that it's tight. So this is how it should look like, and it should be comfortable when you lift. The lifting straps are a must-have, especially if you're trying to improve your grip. The more weight you're adding to the bar or whatever weight you're lifting, because the more weight you're lifting, the more your grip is going to be compromised. So this causes less fatigue and you can be more focused during your workouts. I keep a towel in my bag just so that my sweat doesn't go on the machines. Not everyone wipes the machines down, so it's definitely a must-have to have a towel in your bag. Obviously you need some headphones for the gym, so these are my Sony noise cancelling headphones. I love them. They always keep me really pumped during my workout. And also I keep some silicone ear covers on them just so that after my workout I can spray some alcohol and disinfect them, because you can easily break out from the sweat if you don't wipe it off properly. Obviously I keep some deodorant in my bag because we don't want to be stinking after a good gym session. I also keep a shaker in my bag. So this one is from Hydrojug. It is their studded cream one. I love it. It makes your drinks come out so smooth every time. Your drink never comes out grainy. You never have to worry about having any chunks in there. I love the fact you can change the top of this shaker to a straw as well. I do have it somewhere else, but I do like to switch between the two depending on how I'm feeling that day. Another gym essential is gonna have to be water, so I keep my Hydrojug Traveler as well. This bottle is so good because it's leak proof. It's 40 ounces and I don't have to think about refilling my drink during my workouts. This does keep your drink cold as well, and it does have a straw. So when you fold it, and if you tip it upside down, it's not gonna be leaking in your bag. And also it's not too heavy even if it's full. I also keep a workout log in my bag just so that I know I'm progressively overloading and adding weight to my lifts every week. I just keep it in this silicone cover just in case so that it doesn't get messed up in my bag. And when it comes to tracking your workouts, it's really easy to do so. You just put the date, the training, the exercise, sets, reps, and weight that you're doing during your workout so that you can actually see how you're progressively overloading each time. You can write what cardio type you did, and also you can write in the notes if you hit a PR or how you're feeling about your workout or things you need to improve on. I definitely write them in there. So that's definitely another thing that I really like to keep in my bag. I also keep a resistance band in my gym bag just so that I can warm up on my leg days, especially if you have a job that you sit down. You definitely need to do some glute activation exercises. This is my resistance band. This is from Women's Best and it also comes in a mesh pouch. It is durable and does have a bit of stretch to it, but it's really thick, and this is the heavy one. I also keep some filming equipment. This tripod actually allows me to film my YouTube and short form content at the same time. And I have my camera case here. And inside my camera case, I like to keep my phone mount. So this is what I actually add to my tripod so I can film at the same time. I also keep an SD card organizer, a mini microphone if I want to do a mic'd up workout. And I also keep a clicker just so that I don't have to keep running back and forth between my camera. I can just click this and know that my video started and just turn it off once I'm done. And last but not least, I like to keep my essentials pouch in my bag. This basically carries anything extra that I may need during my workouts. So let's go through it really quickly. Obviously a hairband, keep some feminine hygiene products, some hand cream. I also keep some perfume. I keep this toilet spray in my bag just in case I have to commit World War III up in the toilet. This my right hand in covering the crime. I also keep some tissues. I also keep a pack of wet ones with me in case if I touch anything sticky, I can always use this instead of tissue. Some hand sanitizer. I also keep a spoon or a fork just in case if I get food and I don't have a fork or a spoon with me. It's just a foldable one handy with me. I also keep some SPF chapstick, very important. I also keep a mirror just in case, because after a workout sometimes, especially leg day, you can look crazy. So always keep a mirror with you. And the last two items that I keep in my essentials pouch is a nail clipper and a nail file. The amount of times that I've had a callus rip off or break my nail, I always need to keep this because you may never know when you're gonna need it. At least you can clip that bit that's hanging off and file it off. Or if you even rip a callus, you can just clip it off really quickly and get back to your workout. I also like to keep an extra pair of underwear and socks because you may never know what's gonna happen. It's safer to be prepared than to be sorry. And that's it for what's inside my gym bag. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on your post notifications. Also, comment this emoji down below so that I know you guys watched through the whole video, and I will see you in the next video. Bye guys!